Guyanese and visitors alike will soon be able to enjoy the use of the Parliament Square following a move by the Central Housing and Planning Authority, CH&PA, to rehabilitate the park. Minister of Housing and Water, the Honourable Colin Crowell, accompanied by the Ministry's Permanent Secretary and the CH&PA's Chief Executive Officer, toured the neglected recreational park on Wednesday. Minister Crowell says a lot of work has to be done to improve the standard of the facility, which was under the management of the Georgetown Mayor and City Council.
To the further south, you have the entire washroom area is damaged. In fact, in the night it's now overrun with vagrants utilizing that facility and whatever else. Right out the damage to the fence facility, you have missing gates. There are at least 2 missing gates, and I can see some of the missing grill. The fountain, non-functional. There's no actually except just the concrete structure for the wall, nothing else. The lights here, you can see they're all damaged and not even stolen, just damaged, physically damaged.
The minister says the park would be upgraded and properly fenced to provide a safe, healthy environment for visitors.
We want person to come here. You can host activities here, to have small activities, of course, because keeping in mind with the COVID regulation, we want persons to come here, take pictures and enjoy that nice, cool, comfortable atmosphere.
The government has taken a decision for the management and ownership of the urban park to be retransferred to the CH&PA. An absolute grant will also be issued by the Guyana Lands and Surveys Commission. The facility was built in 2012 at a cost of $37 million.